Today I'm going to be showing you how to conduct ovulation tests at home using these ovulation test kits that I got from an askNivi referred pharmacy. Before I start, I need you to know that if you are used to using strips like this to conduct pregnancy tests, then you see that knowledge you have about how to read the results of pregnancy tests. You need to keep it aside for pregnancy tests because reading the results for ovulation tests is a bit different. Now I'm just going to pee into this container. I need just small urine because it's just for a small test. Now let's tear open this. I have this strip inside it. Now I'm just going to dip this strip into this container. I'm going to dip from this angle. Remember what I said about using just small urine because you don't want the urine to pass that blue angle where you saw marks. So the strip has been there for about 5 seconds. So I'm going to bring it out and just lay it flat on this position for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'll be back to read the results. So it's been 10 minutes and it's time for us to read the results. And as you can see, if you can observe the lines here, we have the first line from this end. The first line is the control line. The essence of that line is to show that you did the test properly. Now, if you see the second line and you do not see the first line, it means that you have to redo the test. And if you do not see any line at all, it means you also probably did not do the test properly. Now, as you can see here, the second line is the results line. This line shows whether the test is positive or negative. In ovulation tests, when reading the results, you need to know that you are certainly going to see two lines, whether it is positive or negative. So the way you know if it is positive or negative would be by how faint or how bold the results line is. Now, if it is negative, the result line will obviously be faint. You would notice that it is fainter than the control line. Remember the control line I talked about. And if it is positive, as you can see in these results, because our results are actually positive. If it is positive, you would notice that the control line is a bit fainter than the results line, or they are of the same color intensity. So they are both as bold as each other. Always remember that you can refer to the back of the package to be sure if your result is positive or negative. So I hope you've been able to learn how to conduct ovulation tests at home. If it turns out that your ovulation test result is positive, then it means that within the next 36 hours, you are likely to actually ovulate. And it's a good time to actually have sex if you are looking to get pregnant, because during your ovulation, that's the time when your ovaries release mature eggs. And if these eggs are fertilized by sperm, then yes, you have the chance of getting pregnant if it's implant, of course. If you finally get pregnant or if you are looking to get pregnant, do have to sign up for askNivi's free pregnancy guide so that askNivi can not just only recommend trusted healthcare facilities where you can get antenatal care and service, but askNivi will be your body through this 9 months period, sending you tips on how to stay healthy during pregnancy and also how to take care of your baby. Yeah, and if you are looking to actually prevent pregnancy, you know you do not want to get pregnant, I want you to know that although your ovulation period or your fertile window is the time that you are most likely to get pregnant, you can actually get pregnant anytime in your cycle that you have sex. So you want to also use trusted contraceptives. Click link on our bio so askNivi can recommend trusted contraceptives for you.